Riding a motorcycle through curves can be one of the most thrilling parts of the journey, but it's also where many riders find themselves in trouble. Today, we're going to explore 3 critical tips to help you stay safe and confident when tackling those twisty roads. First things first, control your speed. It's tempting to push the limits in curves, but entering too fast is one of the biggest reasons riders crash. Remember, slow down before you enter the turn. Use both brakes smoothly to adjust your speed while you're upright and straight. Once in the curve, maintain a steady throttle to stabilize your bike. Save the thrills for when you're ready and know the road. So many riders I see head into the twisties and head onto a new road for the first time, and they're hauling butt entering these turns, and they have no idea what's coming, how tight the curve's going to be, or what to expect, and then they're going off the road and crashing as a result. Next, you need to trust your lean. Many riders panic and try to straighten up when the bike leans into a turn. This can push you out of the curve and into oncoming traffic or off the road. Leaning is what helps you stay on the path. Push gently on the inside handlebar to initiate a counter steer and let the bike naturally follow the curve. Your tires are designed for this. Trust them. Finally, focus on your target. Your bike will follow your eyes and your nose. If you look at the guardrail or the drop off to your side, guess where you're headed. Instead, look through the curve to where you want to go. Keep your vision far and steady. It's the most powerful tool you have as a rider. Speed, lean, and focus. These 3 techniques will make a world of difference in your riding. There's a ton of motorcycle riders crashing and dying in curves, but curves don't have to be scary. Approach them with control, confidence, and the right skills. But what if you've already heard these tips and you're making it through curves safely and confidently, but there's some other habits you're not sure about to keep you safe on a motorcycle? Well, then watch this video next for 5 stoic habits every motorcycle rider must embrace that'll help keep you safe, alive, and ready for any challenge you encounter on the road.